students, welcome back to the university for the new academic year. My name is Marina Trajkova and I'm a full professor at the University of Architecture, Civil Engineering and Geodesy in Sofia, Bulgaria. The University of Architecture, Civil Engineering and Geodesy, Bulgaria and the Institute Technology at Hitama, Surabaya, Indonesia have a signed memorandum of understanding. The University of Architecture, Civil Engineering and Geodesy is one of the leading technical universities in Bulgaria. It is the oldest technical school created in 1942. The University of Architecture, Civil Engineering and Geodesy has always strived to maintain the tradition of its very long history, but at the same time it is open to modern trends and innovations. As a representative of the partner, I want to wish you a successful year. The higher education is very important for building our future. It will be great to follow your academic path and to learn better and to make this year a year of growth and achievement to remember. My personal advice, dear students, is never to stop your way regardless the difficulties, always to accept the challenges and of course to make wonderful memories. Good luck and success. I will be very glad to meet you soon, some of you, at our university in Bulgaria. Thank you very much.